everyone, I'm back with a new video and today we're going to talk about CURLSMITH. So I'm going to show you guys my routine while I'm talking about the products and my first impression thoughts on them. So I have the products in right now and this is actually the second day. I was going to do the video yesterday, like after, you know, me trying them on and like my thoughts and everything, my first impressions, but I didn't have time in the morning, and then when I came back home I was too tired and blah. So it's the second day and I actually think it worked out better because you guys got to see my hair on the second day and I used one of the products to refreshen it. And let's get into the video. So I'm gonna go in order of how I used it, but I feel like I wouldn't do this order again, and I'm gonna explain why while I talk about this product. But first, let me give you a little bit of a background of CURLSMITH and why I wanted to try their products. So CURLSMITH, I didn't really hear much about it in the beginning stages, except my friend Genesis. She tried their products. I don't know how she found out about them either. She tried their products and she loved them and she swears by it, and it's like her #1 curly hair product. And me, I was all about Shea Moisture and all that stuff. I just feel like it doesn't really work on my hair as it used to before. And also there's so many things on the market, and I still like some of Shea Moisture products, but there's so much stuff on the market and you kind of just want to explore and try new things. So I'm not gonna get into that drama. But yeah, I feel like CURLSMITH is just like an up and coming brand. They just got an Ulta and that's really exciting. I feel like this brand is gonna grow and their products are gonna just, you know, get really popular because they actually worked really well for me. So yeah, she gave me her coupon. She'd been trying to give me this coupon for like the past year, but I never tried it. And it's like a 25% off when you refer a friend. So I'll try to leave that below if I have that coupon, or you can just go on CURLSMITH's website and check out the products, or you can go to Ulta, whatever you want. But this is a CURLSMITH Food for Curls, the Curl Defining Styling Souffle, and it says it's for extra thirsty, curly or kinky hair. That's my hair. My hair is in need of things. And it's 8 ounces, which is not that bad. Usually curling products are like products that I buy are like 8 to 12 ounces. Souffle was $27, but I did get a discount, so it was a little bit less than that I paid. So these products are really expensive. I paid like $100 for my whole order with the discount. So I hope that it lasts me a long time. Usually curly products for me last me 6 to 12 months, like almost a year, if I use them sparingly and I have like, you know, a variety of products to choose from. I only wash my hair like 1 to 2 times. It has Irish moth, which is like a sea vegetable, babasu oil, which I've never heard of, flaxseed infusion, and I love flaxseed, rosemary, sage, and avocado. It says all our products are naturally curl friendly and gentle enough for daily use. They make them in small batches. And yeah, so the souffle has a texture of jelly. It's like a jelly that like is like kind of breaks up in your hands. Every product smells delicious. These have a lot of great ingredients. Not everything is completely natural, and in the future wouldn't have used this first on my hair because I like using gel products more at the end. I like using moisturizing creamy lotiony products on my hair in the beginning to kind of moisturize and like define, and then I go in with like a gel like product for like a bit more definition and a little bit more hold. I used this memory reactivator. So this is a spray, and I usually don't buy sprays because I usually just reactivate my curls with water, but today I reactivated it with water first just to like get my curls a little bit wet, and then I put the spray on. And I feel like this is just to like, you know, give yourself more hold and more definition, and so your curls will last longer and they won't get as frizzy. And one thing that I can say right off the bat is that I haven't experienced like any frizz with CURLSMITH. I mean, I get most of my frizz up here and sometimes at the end, but like the frizz that it has occurred since I've used this product has been like good frizz. It has been like a bit voluminous, but it keeps my curls like together pretty well. Avocado, aloe vera, sage, basil, apricot, and resurrection flower. Then I tried on the balm. So this is the Hold Me Softly Style Balm. It's for curly, wavy, textured, or dry hair. So it says it's not for kinky hair. This has a light hold. It has rosemary oil, smashed avocado, apricot, aloe vera, olive oil, 8 ounces. The reactivating spray was $24 and then this was $27. And this is a product that I would use in the beginning, but it does not get crunchy. Like, these products did not make my hair crunchy or hard or anything. They made my hair super, super soft. The thing that I will say though, when I used all the products, my hair was really, really tight. Like, my curls were held together really, really tightly and made all these ringlets, which I love because my products, it's the winter time, so my hair is extremely dry, and the products that I was using before didn't like hold my curls together. It was like, it didn't have too much volume, it was a little bit more compact just because it was the first day. It had a lot of hold. I used a lot of product and all that stuff, even after air drying, and not air drying, diffusing. So I feel like I'm rambling so much. So I would use less product of each and maybe like massage the roots of your hair and kind of like pull your hair out a little bit if you want more volume. And then the last product that I used is this serum, and it's 4 ounces. And the reason why it's 4 ounces is because you only need a tiny, tiny bit. It's like, I feel like I would call this the balm, like a serum balm, because it's really, really thick. It looks like waxy. It's very, very like sturdy, but when it melts in your, when you put it in your hands, it melts in your hands and it feels like a serum. It feels really, really soft and moisturizing. And this, I think this is like the best smelling thing ever. It has shea butter, jojoba, avocado, different kind of fruit stuff, oat oil, other seed oils, macadamia, apricot, aloe, black pepper, seed extract, rosemary, sage, anise. And then I was kind of wondering about this limonene and linalool, but all these products are vegan, which is amazing, and they're all cruelty free, which is amazing too. So those are all the products that I bought, and the serum was $36, so it was 4 ounces and it was $36 and it was the most expensive. So I hope that lasts me like 2 years. But yeah, I really, really had good results. My hair feels really, really soft, really held together and defined and shiny, and just really cute and not a lot of shrinkage. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions below, and let me know what you like to use on your curly hair and your wavy hair, because I love trying new things. Bye!